Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun video for you guys. It's going to be really long, so get your treats and get your bowls packed and your drinks ready, your glass of wine ready, because this is going to be a good one. So I have bought all my glitters from Shopmissa.com. I really enjoy them. I think they're cheap, they're easy, and I love some of the shades that they have. I'm gonna go through them really quick. So this is the MG5 eyeshadow. This one is like a galaxy. It has pinks, blues, and silvers in there. The next one, so this one's number 19, but it's gorgeous. Next one's by Princess as well, but it's in this like round doom shape container. This is MG12, and I think this one's pink and silver. Yeah, so this one has pink and silver. It's very similar to the first one, but it's a little bit more warm. These are great for festivals. $1 for these, trust me, you will not regret. So the next color is in G2. Look, I haven't even used this one. Yellow gold is hard for me to give it a shot, but I definitely want to because it's gorgeous. So the next two are also from Princessa, but they are more of eyeshadow pigments than eyeshadow glitter. I have the number 16, the number 12, and then the number 13. These sell out really quick as well, so definitely if you see these available, pick them up. So I ordered recently, I haven't even tried this out. This is the Amuse lip gloss. I believe this is lip color number 3. It is a lip gloss. It looks like a lipstick. It's a deep purple. I ordered this because online it looked different. I don't think I'm going to be keeping this. Although it's more wearable than the purple that they send me in the mystery bag, it's still very vibrant and out of my comfort zone. I'm probably not going to end up giving this a shot, but if I do, I will let you guys know if I like it or not. It's a little too bright for me. I also bought a pair of AOA tweezers, and just really quickly, they're really good. Actually, really like those. I use those to apply my eyelashes. I actually picked up an Amuse Cosmetics blush in this last purchase. I've never tried this blush, so I don't know if I like it or not. So it's mix 6. It looks exactly right up my alley. I hope that it picks up on my skin tone, but Amuse hasn't really let me down, and it comes with a little mirror and a little brush there. So I hope it's as good as it looks. Should we talk primers? AOA Studio has some of the best primers I have tried in a while. Definitely for $1, they're just a steal, and I'm always in shock every time I see how good the primers are. So I have tons of them, and some of them are doubles because that's how good they are. So I'm just gonna go really quickly through them and give you guys a rating, like 1 to 10. So I have 3 of the poreless primer. This one has to be my favorite one, just because I have really big pores, but whenever I wear this, my pores are definitely minimized. It doesn't make my makeup cakey. It literally applies so well, and I have so many of them because that's how amazing they are. That one gets a 10 hands down. The next one is the Perfecting Blur Primer, so kind of the same concept. I really like this one. I have been using this one a lot recently. But between the two, if I would go on a trip or something, I would take the poreless just because I know how well that works. But this one is definitely a top 2 on that list. I would give this like a 9 out of 10. The next one I have tried one time. This is the Color Correcting Primer, and I have it in the orange. Honestly, it wasn't my favorite thing in the world. I would give this a 6 out of 10. It didn't do much of the color correcting that it was supposed to do. It did prime my face and made my makeup apply well, but I bought it for a certain reason, failed to meet that reason. I would recommend the poreless. My friend has the mattifying one. I gave it to her because I bought it accidentally. I cannot use a mattifying primer, but I gave it to her and she says it's really well. Definitely check them out, and for $1 you don't have much to lose. Along with face primers, I've tried some amazing eyeshadow primers. This first one is from Santee, and it's the eye primer in the number 2. It's just like a very fluorescent eyeshadow primer. It's so gorgeous, and I use this when I'm going to do a night out makeup look or a very shimmery makeup look, but I love it. And then this is my holy grail. It is the ugliest primer you'll ever see, but it's the best primer. This is the Clean Color eyeshadow primer in the matte. I believe they had a shimmer one. I've never tried it. It is so big. I would recommend everybody to pick this up. It is amazing. I can't say enough good things about this. So the one thing that I do fail at buying on Shopmissa.com is the foundation. I never find my color, and I just kind of don't trust some of the foundations. I don't believe they're gonna work that well. But I did pick up some Amuse Cosmetics foundation, and like I said, I failed to meet my color. So none of these actually match me. Even if I mix them together, they don't match me. I want to try these out on somebody, but I don't have anybody in this color range. So I'm kind of just holding on to these for no reason. I do want to go back on there and buy maybe a different color and see what color will match me. We also sold out on these, so they must be good for people to be purchasing them. I tried the AOA Studio BB cream. I actually do use this once in a while when I don't want to do my makeup and I'm running out the door. I will apply this. This one is in the color tan and it matches my skin tone pretty well. I really like this one, so I would recommend trying these out. So another fail are the mascaras. I cannot find a good mascara on Shopmissa.com. I have tried a few of them and I just don't like them, so I'm going to show you guys the one I have in hand. Just know that I have purchased other ones and they just haven't worked. The first mascara I'm going to talk about is the Santee Bold Eye Mascara. This is what the packaging looks like. It is supposed to be waterproof. I don't know if that's true. So I do have this mascara on my lashes today. I put it on my upper lash. It just felt like it dragged my lashes down. It didn't do that much to my lashes. The brush I actually really liked. I really liked this brush, but it was just not applying well on my lashes. I did put it on my lashes on the bottom, but then I had to go in with my Lash Paradise mascara to kind of darken up my lashes because you couldn't even see them. They appeared longer, but they weren't dark enough. So I don't like that mascara. The next one definitely get like a 4 out of 10, a 3 out of 10. This is the AOA Studio Pre-Lash and Hyper Lash Mascara. They're intended to make your lashes voluminous and beautiful and gorgeous, but it just didn't work out that well. So the white one, I believe, is the mascara. Put this on your lash first, step 1, and then step 2 would be the Hyper Lash. I do like these fibers. I just don't like the pre-lash, so I'd probably try these fibers with a different mascara and see how that goes. Let's talk highlighters. I have bought a few highlighters. So the first one is called Illuminator Pro and it's in the mix 2 medium. This is what the highlighter looks like. This highlighter is gorgeous, but it is a little bit grainy, so I tend to use it with a wet brush and then it just looks really good. I would buy this again and I would buy other colors as well. I really like that highlighter specifically. The next highlighters are the Baked Highlighters by AOA Studio Wonder, and I have 3 of them. I'm just gonna go really quickly. So this one is Macaroon, definitely very bronzy, beautiful golden goddess kind of look. And then the next one is Bubbly, pretty similar, but it's a little bit more pink. So this one's a little too dark for my skin tone, and I didn't realize that until I saw a couple pictures. Realized that my highlight was just way too dark. So then I went ahead and bought the color Snap. I have not tried this color out yet. This is what it looks like. So I hope this one will match my skin tone a little bit better. These are really good. I would give them 8 out of 10. I'm very into gold, bronzy highlights, so I hope Snap will work. So there's a few products that you can buy on this website that are for contour, but I'm just going to show you which ones I like. I have the Amuse Matte Bronzer, and this one's in the color 3, and it looks like this. So as you can see, it's not that warm. It's very in the cool tones, and I actually have it on right now as my contour, and I really like this contour. I use this on just my every single day makeup. Really easy. I like it. I top it with the Clean Color Tan Raw Shimmer Bronzer. Now, I know that they have some matte bronzers on this website, and every time they stock up, I somehow miss the restock, but I definitely want to try the matte ones. I've heard great things about the matte one. The shimmer one is amazing. It's a little dark, so this is in the color Tahiti Shimmer, and I got this color because this is the only one that they had at the time. It's so shimmery. I love it. I have it on. I bronze up my face with this. I really want to try other colors, but they tend to sell out. Like I said, this one tends to sell out a lot. Along with contouring comes setting, and let me tell you when some of the best setting powders that I have tried. So these are the AOA Perfect Setting Powders. I have 2 colors. I have Banana and I have Brightening. Brightening is my everyday go-to setting powder. I love it. I love this more Laura Mercier, and I have that in my collection, and I go for the $1 setting powder. I do have it on right now, and then I use the Banana one to carve out my contour. These are so amazing. Like, I cannot give you guys enough praises. These are 10s out of 10s. These are 20s out of 10. Go check these out. Tell me if you like them, because for $1, I cannot believe how good these are. So I guess we could go right into concealers. Concealers is definitely something I have tried out in this website. I love concealers. They're amazing. The first 2 are from Just Colors. These are the Concealer Invisible Cover, and they're supposed to be waterproof, and I have in 2 colors. I have True Beige and Natural. I really like these concealers. They're very creamy. I used these today to carve out my brows, so they worked really well. My brows look very carved, I would say, and I like these. I give these a 7 out of 10. Now, I've never tried these under my eyes, so I don't know how they would work as far as that. So far on my face and on my brow, they have worked amazing. So the next concealers that I have, these are just the AOA Studio concealers. So I have 3 colors. Porcelain, which I believe is the lightest color they have. The next one, it matches me better. This one is Natural, and this one's definitely pretty. These are very lightweight. I don't think they have that much much coverage. I like them. Next one is Cool Tan, and I picked up Cool Tan so that I can use it to contour, do a cream contour, but I really like them. Okay, so the next concealers are a hit and a miss at the same time. Could that even be possible? Like, I don't know if I will repurchase these, but I really want to repurchase these. These are the AOA UHD concealers. So this is what they look like, and I have 4 of them. So let's start with the first one. Is the orange concealer 5103. Let me tell you, look at this concealer. It looks like I loved it. It looks like I enjoyed this concealer. This is how the concealer came to me. It came empty pretty much. Look, I haven't even used the brush. I don't know what happened, where the concealer went, but this doesn't seem used, that it just didn't come full, you know? Shopmissa, if you want to send me this concealer, definitely send me this concealer because this is how it came in the mail. The second fail is that these concealers are extremely thick, and they come in these packaging, which has a little brush, which I understand the idea, but these concealers are so thick that they do not run through whatever hole this thing has and just end up popping and getting all over the place. Let me show you. This is what happened today. It popped off when I was trying to get a little bit of concealer. I do actually have this concealer under my eyes though, and it looks so good. This one is in the color Light Ivory, and I really like it, and I wish half of my product wouldn't have squeezed off the tube when the top popped off, but it did. The next color that I have is yellow, and I have not tried this one out. I'm so scared to try them out. I believe I had bought a different one and that one popped as well, and I just ended up throwing it away, and since then I kind of been a little weary about trying them out. The next color is the Classic Ivory, and I have tried squeezing some of this out of the tube. I can try to squeeze this out right now to show you guys, and all will happen is pop out, and I really don't want to waste any of it because I think they really are good concealers. If you like really full coverage concealers, they need better packaging. I think that for being such a thick concealer, maybe they should have just kept it to the wand. Maybe they should switch the products and do a thick one here and then the thin one in there, but they need to definitely figure out that packaging situation. Do you guys like my eyebrows today? Because these are from shopmissa.com. So I have a few eyebrow products and I have tried them all, so I can definitely give you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly, but I think these are all good. So the first one is an Amuse Brow Powder, and this is what this one looks like. It is in the color Mix 1. This was the only color that was available when I bought this. I wish I could try other colors, but it is so pretty on the eyebrows. I don't have it on today, but whenever I don't want to do my makeup and I just really quickly running out the door, I will use this to fill in my eyebrows. I give this a 10 out of 10. I wish I could have other colors because I do think it's a little light for my eyebrows, but it's fine. It worked. Next thing did not really work for me. This is the Amuse Tinted Brow Gel. This is item 9592. I don't know if that's the color they have it on there or if they even have it by color, but it is the tinted one. It is very light. So I bought this a while ago when I had really dark hair and red hair, so it did not work. I wonder now that I have very light brown hair, it can possibly work. I won't put it on right now, but I'll give you guys an update on this. This is by Amuse, and I thought it was going to be better, and it did not work at that time, but it could possibly work now. Now this little number right here is by AOA Studio, and it's their eyebrow tint. I don't know what color this in. This one works so good. This one's lit. Like, I really like this one. I applied it on my eyebrows. I do have it on today. It is amazing. It makes my brows stay in place, and I will definitely repurchase this. It's very tiny, so you'll probably have to repurchase it often, but I don't mind. It's $1. I'm down. I also picked up Amuse Cosmetics Pro Eyebrow Pencil Matte Long Lasting, and this one's in the color Brunette. It works well. I like this one. I think the color is a little off, and it's the reason why I don't gravitate towards it a lot, but I like it. I give it like a 7 out of 10. But this next one, honey, this is the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil, and this is the one I actually did my brows with today. This has the very thick eyebrow pencil. So that's what the eyebrow pencil looks like. It is pretty thick. Did my eyebrows with it today. I am so obsessed with this pencil. I think it matched perfectly. I think they look really good and really natural. And of course they have the little spoolies in the end. Going along with the eyebrow, I bought this AOA Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade just because I like the pencil so much. It is very tiny. The AOA Wonder Brow, that's what it looks like. And this one's in the medium brown. So I don't know if it's going to match my eyebrows, but I hope it will. I hope this is good. I've never tried this one, so I don't know anything about it. The last eyebrow product that I have is the Amuse Eyebrow Powder. You're pretty sure I've seen all of these all around. Okay, so it has a dark one and a light one. The light one looks very similar to the individual one that I purchased. So I like to use the both dark and light on my brows, and I really like them. Work really well. So let me just finish off the eyeshadow palettes that I have from shopmissa.com. We only have a few of them left. The next one is from LA Colors, and we all have heard of this brand. You can find this brand everywhere, but this one's the color is Unforgettable, and they're just very pink shimmery shadows. That's what they look like. I have swatched them, I have played with them. I really like them. I give this like a 7 out of 10. They're not my favorite, but they're definitely do the job. Shadow palette is the Clean Color Eyeshadow Trios. I had a few of these, but I gave them away, and it's just the perfect, like, easy every single day look. Like, I can do my eyeshadow every single day with this palette. It's so pretty. Light, medium, dark browns, and just basic easy stuff. Love them. LA Colors has these little single eyeshadows, and this one is terracotta. These tend to be sold out, so I'm just going to give you guys that warning. But I love this shadow. I do have it in my crease very lightly though, because it's very pigmented. It has a bit of a shimmer in it, but you can definitely use it as a crease color. I love this one. And then the last single eyeshadow that I have is the Muse Smoky Eye in Teddy, which I actually had purchased all the Muse shadows and I love them, but I started depotting them before I went on a trip, and they all just ended up breaking. So I wouldn't recommend to depot them, but they're definitely gorgeous. This is just your everyday, just crease color, very easy to use. I wish you could depot them, or maybe I just like failed at depotting things. But so really quickly, this is a contour stick. This is by LA Colors, so you can probably find this anywhere else. I really like this, but I don't use it as a highlight. I use it as a brow highlight, and I would just apply it right under my brow. It's very natural glow. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's very natural glow. I really like this. It's in the highlighter. I wouldn't use it as a highlighter, but definitely on the eyebrows, inner corners, or the cupid's bow, maybe even on the tip of the nose. Really good. I would definitely suggest purchasing that. So I recently picked up the Amuse Lip and Cheek Stick, and this one's in the color number 2. Okay, it's really pretty. I would definitely use this on my cheek. I'm actually pretty excited about using this. That was definitely a good purchase. So the rest of the products are all lip products, which means we are down to the very nitty and gritty. First, I have the AOA Studio Matte lipsticks, and they look like this. They kind of look like the concealer, so I sometimes get confused. I have the color Vlogger, which is a very warm tan color. It almost looks like orange cement. I don't like this color. I just kept it so that I can do this video. I don't like it. I can't rock that color. The next one, I actually like this color a lot. It looks like a concealer. This is the color Faded, and the reason I like this color a lot is because I use it on the centers of my lips when I wear like a brown color, and it just brightens up the look. It makes your lips look big. So I really like this. I would not use this color as just a lip color on own because it washed me out completely, but just on the centers of my lips, look how pretty it is. And then the last one I recently picked up, so it's still in its packaging. So this one's in the color Vivant, and I just picked this one up, so I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. Here we go. Okay, this one is gorgeous. I hope it looks good on my skin. I'm not sure, but it's gorgeous. Now you can see how washed out this color is. Really excited to try this one out on my lips. The next 3 colors are from Amuse, and I actually have one of them on my lips right now, and I'll tell you guys which one. This one's Amuse Lip number 1. Lip number 4. So this is lip number 4, the dark tone one right here. So lip 3, lip 4, and then this one's lip number 5, which I believe is the one I definitely have on my lips. So lip number 5. 3, 4, 5. 5 is the one I have on my lips right now. It is really pretty. It's everyday. I can use this color. Looks really nice. It looks really dark on my hands, but on my lips it looks natural. And I actually like how it feels. It doesn't feel cakey. It's not flaky, and so I like it. And then I also have one of their AOA Wonder lip pencils, and this is in the color Faded. That's the lip pencil in Faded. And then I have one of the Master Stroke satin lipsticks, just like the really highlighter one that they gave me in the mystery bag. I feel like that was so long ago. This one I actually kept because I like it. It's very brown, really pretty on, and I really like it. It gives me a very 90s vibe when I wear it. Is the Sugar Lip Scrubs by Beauty Treats. You can get tons of lip scrubs on there. I actually have another one from Beauty Treats that I got on Shopmissa, and it's this one in Apple. So you can find these anywhere as well though, not just on Shopmissa, but that's the easiest place for me to find them, so that's where I buy them, and I really like those. Really quickly before my camera dies on me, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope that you guys really liked it, and thank you for staying until the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of video you guys want to see down below, and don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, or my Tumblr, any of those. And oh my god, you guys, if you guys saw this mess that's in front of me, it is insane. So I'm gonna go film all those little tiny clips and swatches for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thought I was gone, but I'm not gone. Okay, bye.